I understand that automated scoring can assess grammar, vocabulary, and spelling because Microsoft Word can do this as well. However, how can it evaluate the content of what has been written?
Well, we use a technique called latent semantic analysis, which is really all about evaluating the content. So it's getting beyond the words that are used and really looking at the meaning of those words. And when a new essay comes in, what we do is we compare the content of that new essay against the content of all of the essays that have been pre-scored by humans. And we look to see if that new essay looks more like the essays that the humans gave a score of a 1 or a score of 2 or a score of 3. So it's based on looking at the similarity of content between the new essays and the others, in addition to other features like you see in programs like Word. So also looking at spelling and grammar. But really we can get at the content too and make sure that the candidate is expressing their ideas and developing them fully, not just giving us grammatical sentences.